bs6 vehicle password and password use. We can check. Eicher track password and password change. First menu switch, then last down switch, reset, then set switch. Here you can put the password. The down switch 1 2 3 4, then set switch, then 1 2 3, then set switch 1 2, then set switch 1. The password is 4321, then set. Password is open. Then you can change trip A, trip B, everything. Then go menu switch back, then you can select language, maintenance, password. Here you can change your password, then diagnostic, then you can open and you can read the fault, set switch, EMS fault or ABS fault, everything. Then go back, then go to menu switch. Here also you can go down and clear fault for set switch. Here you can put 4 3 2 1, then open, then clear the fault. Yes, fault is clear now. Then you can go menu switch back. After we need to ignition off, then you can start the vehicle.